Good morning, students. Now, yesterday's homework problem. What is the given equation? 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2x plus 4y plus 2z plus 3 is equal to 0. Now we have to convert this equation into standard form. What is the general form of an sphere equation? What is the general equation of a sphere? General equation of a sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. That means you have to rewrite the given equation in this form. That means coefficient of x square is equal to 1, coefficient of y square is equal to 1, coefficient of z square is equal to 1. Here in the given equation, coefficient of x square is 2, coefficient of y square 2, coefficient of z square 2. That means you have to take 2 common or else throughout dividing by 2. Now throughout dividing by 2, this equation becomes x square plus y square plus z square. 2 by 2 is minus x plus 4 by 2 is 2y plus 2z by 2 is z plus 3 by 2 you will get. Remember this one you will get constant 3 by 2. Now you call that equation number 1, which is in the form of what? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. Now comparing the given equation with the general equation, now we will get the value. X coefficient is 2u here, x coefficient is minus 1 here, 2u is equal to minus 1. That implies u is equal to minus 1 by 2. Next, y coefficient is 2v here, y coefficient is 2 here, therefore 2v is equal to 2, v is equal to 1. Similarly, z coefficient is, what is the z coefficient here? 1 by 2. Sorry, z coefficient is 1 and 2w is equal to 1, w is equal to 1 by 2, and if you compare this 3 with this constant, 3 is equal to 3 by 2, right? Now u is, you know, v you know, w you know. Now what is the center of a sphere? Center of a sphere is minus u comma minus v comma minus w, right? This is the formula. We know that u value is this one. Center C is equal to minus of u value. Next comma minus of v value comma minus of w value is this one. Now if you simplify this one, C is equal to 1 by 2 comma minus 1 comma minus 1 by 2, right? Another way directly we can write center of the sphere is equal to C is equal to minus of x coefficient by 2 comma minus of y coefficient by 2 minus of z coefficient by 2. Remember that the equation must be in standard form, in this form, right? Minus of x coefficient by 2, this is x coefficient is minus 1 by 2 comma formula minus is there, minus of y coefficient by 2. What is y coefficient here? 2 by 2. Next comma minus of z coefficient is 1 here, 1 by 2, right? Now since minus of minus is plus, minus 1 minus this is the center of a sphere. Now next comes to radius. What is the radius formula? Radius of a sphere is equal to square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. R is equal to, what is u value? Now u value I am substituting, not the center value I am substituting, right? Not the center value, I am taking u value. What is u? Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 whole square. V value is 1 whole square. W value is 1 by 2 whole square. Suppose by mistake center value substitute చేశారనుకోండి, అయినా కానీ you will get the same value. ఎందుకని ఇక్కడ what is the center? సెంటర్ జార్ చూసుకోండి 1 by 2, వేరాజ్ యూ ఈజ్ మైనస్ 1 by 2. ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం? యాక్చువల్లీ స్క్వేరింగ్ నో, యూ స్క్వేర్ అంటే నెగటివ్ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అంటే పాజిటివ్ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అన్న నెగటివ్, రైట్? యూ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వి స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ డబ్ల్యూ స్క్వేర్, దట్ ఈస్ 1 by 4 ప్లస్ 1 by 4 ప్లస్ 1 by 4, సారీ 1 by 4 ప్లస్ 1 ప్లస్ 1 by 4, d value is minus 3 by 2, right? Now simplify the LCM. LCM this is 4 LCM. 1 plus 4 plus 1 minus 6. LCM 6 వస్తుంది కదా, right. Now this is 0. Radius of the sphere is equal to 0, whereas center of the sphere is 1 by 2 comma minus 1 comma minus 1 by 2. This is your homework problem, right. Next one. Today, now we are going to discuss find the equation of a sphere passing through 4 points, right. This is a very lengthy problem in main examination, right. Try to skip this problem. It is important, but sometimes it may take more than 15 to 20 minutes, sometimes, not all times, right. Now it depends upon the given problem. Now today find the equation of a sphere passing through the 4 points. This is A, B, C, D, right. Now what are the given point? How many points are there? 4 points are there, A, B, C and D, right. Now sir, why 4 points are means, what is the general equation of a sphere? The general equation of a sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. Here how many unknowns are there? 1. U is unknown to you, V is unknown to us, W is unknown to us, D is also unknown. How many unknowns are there? There are 4 unknowns are there. If you know those unknowns, you will get the equation of a sphere. To get these 4 unknowns, we require 4 conditions, or you can say 4 equations. 4 conditions we require. Now that's why here 4 points are given to you. Now we have to find the equation of the sphere. This is the required sphere which is passing through 4 points A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D lies on the sphere. Now we have to calculate the equation of this sphere. Now we don't know the equation of the sphere. Let the equation of the sphere be this one. General equation we have to take. This is our answer. But we don't know U value, V value, W value and D value. Now we are going to find these values by using the given condition. Now let the equation of the sphere is this one, no? But this equation is passing through how many points? 4 points. What are they? A, B, C and D. Now we will substitute A is equal to 0 comma 0 comma 0 in equation 1. Why we have to substitute this point? Because this point lies on the sphere. Lies on the sphere means it satisfies the given equation. That's it, right? Now in the place of x 0, in the place of y 0, in the place of z 0 I am substituting 0 whole square plus 0 whole square plus 0 whole square plus 2u into 0 plus 2v into 0 plus 2w into 0 plus d is equal to 0. Now we got d is equal to 0. Next point, substitute b is equal to 0 comma 1 comma minus 1 in equation 1. We get in the place of x 0, in the place of y 1, in the place of z minus 1 we are substituting 0 whole square, 1 whole square, minus 1 whole square plus 2u into 0 plus 2v into y means 1 plus 2w into z means minus 1 plus d is equal to 0. Now we got 2v minus 2w plus d plus 2 is equal to 0. Now similarly substitute third point. What is the third point? Minus 1 comma 2 comma 0 in equation 1. By substituting we got 5 minus 2u plus 4v plus d is equal to 0. Right? Your order is not important. Now second, substitute d is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 in equation 1. Again we get this condition. On solving the above equations you will get these values. U is equal to minus 15 by 14, V is equal to minus 25 by 14, W is equal to minus 11 by 14 and D is equal to 0. Substitute those values in equation 1. Substitute those values V, W and D values in equation 1. Equation 1 implies x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into u value into x plus 2 into v value into y plus 2 into w value into z plus d value is equal to 0. Simplifying, x square plus y square plus z square minus 15 by 7x minus 20 by 7 by minus 11z by 7 is equal to 0, or you can take 7 common or cross multiplying by 7. 7 into x square, 7 into y square, 7 into z square minus 15x minus 25 by minus 11z is equal to 0 is the required equation of the sphere. Now these are the problems. Daily one cheyandi. Today try this one. Find the equation of the sphere passing through the origin and these points. Try this one, right? Tomorrow, day after tomorrow you try this one. These two are the homework problems, right? Takes time, right? Now we'll try to solve those equations. Now what are the given equations we got here? First equation is what? D is equal to 0. Second equation is what? 2v minus 2w plus d plus 2 is equal to 0. Third one is 5 minus 2u plus 4v plus d is equal to 0. And the last equation is 14 plus 2u plus 4v plus 6w plus d is equal to 0. These are the equations. Now directly we got d is equal to 0. Substitute d is equal to 0 in these equations. What you will get? First equation becomes 2v minus 2w plus 2 is equal to 0. D value becomes 0. Second equation also minus 2u, constant later I am writing, plus 4v plus d value is 0. Constant I am writing here, plus 5 is equal to 0. Here this equation 2u plus 4v plus 6w plus d value is 0. Here remaining constant is plus 14 is equal to 0. Now solve this equation. This equation contains vw and this contains uv and this contains uvw. First of all, we'll solve these two equations. Now solving those two equations means adding them. These two we are solving first of all. By adding, what I am getting here, these two gets cancelled. 8v plus 6w plus 14 plus 5 is 19 is equal to 0. Now try to solve these two equations. That means 2v minus 2w plus 2 is equal to 0. Solving these two equations, 5 plus this one 14 is also there, no? It's not 4, 14. That means it becomes 19, right? 5 plus 14 is 19 here. See, these two can cancel. 8v, this is 6w, okay. 5 plus 14 is 19. Careful. Now here, now again eliminate w. We are eliminating w, right? That means this is multiplying by 3. Now what you will get on solving these two? 3 2s are 6. 8v plus 6v. 8v plus 6v is 14v. Now here 3 2s are 6. 6w plus 6w gets cancelled, right? Now 3 2s are 6 here. 9 plus 6 is 25 plus 25 is equal to 0. That implies v is equal to minus 25 by 14. Substitute u value in equation this one, right? U value here, v value. V value is minus 25 by 14. Substitute in this equation. Now that equation becomes 2 into minus 25 by 14. Now minus 2w, no? Minus 2w plus 2 is equal to 0. Here 2 gets cancelled. Now e minus w both plus w. Minus 20 by 4. Here plus 1 is equal to w. That means w is equal to, now LCM, if you take LCM, what you will get? Minus 25 plus 14 by 14. Minus 25 plus 14. How much? Here 6, here 5. That means 11 by 14. minus 11 by 14 is W value. V value is this one. Substitute U and V value in this equation or in this equation. You will get U value is equal to minus 15 by 14. Substitute these values in the general equation of a sphere. We will get the required equation of the sphere.